Hey guys, I'm Frida with WTI. These little buddies are going to help you if you love someone who is very absent-minded. Happens to be my husband. These are little devices that you can put in your wallet or on your keychain to help you find them when they're lost. This is real time me setting it up. It took hardly any time at all, step by step, super easy, and now all he has to do is open the Find My app on his Apple device and he's able to see exactly where his keys and his wallet are. You can also play a sound so that you can find them when you're in the house. But my favorite feature is that you can turn on a setting that alerts you if you leave the house without either your keys or your wallet. It has an added bonus of being an RFID blocker, so now that we have our tap to pay credit cards in the wallet, we don't have to worry about anybody being able to steal that information. I also love that a charge can be held for months at a time, and you can charge these things thousands of times. The panic in the morning trying to find his keys and wallet is no more thanks to SEINXON, and that's my point of view.